Okay, so once you click on your code in Google Classroom, you will come to code.org. You're going to click up here on Sign In, and you're going to continue with Google. You're going to find your Google account, and you're going to click on it, and it will bring you into code.org, and it'll let you know that you've come to it with your name up here in the top right. This is your dashboard. This is where you will come. If you don't get to there right away, you can always click on My Dashboard and this will come up. You'll scroll down and it says My Courses. Your course will be Course C. So it says you're currently working on a certain lesson. So you're going to continue to your lesson. Now I've gone through some of the lessons already, but I'm going to start right back at the beginning here. And you can move through your different lessons up here and it'll show you which ones that you've completed with the green. All right, so for this puzzle, we're going to drag all the blocks together to click run and watch it go. All right, so the blocks that you'll be working with in this first part of code.org are going to be a few. You're going to have a when run, there'll be a move forward, and then I'm going to introduce three more in a few minutes. So our when run just basically means this is what you always need to start with, that when you click run, whatever blocks you have connected to when run will run your program. So if you notice, there's a little bump out here and then there's a little indentation on these. That means you can take these blocks from your toolbox here and click them over to this when run, and when you hit the run button, it'll work. So we have to take our Angry Bird and move them to the Silly Pig. So we need to move forward 1, 2. So I need to take 2 move forward blocks, and notice I clicked them right up and there's no space in between, like so. And it's just almost like Legos. When you click Legos together, they need to be all together so they work together. So now when I click the run button, Angry Bird will move forward twice. So let's find out. All right, great. So I've written 2 lines of code. I've completed the puzzle. I'm going to hit continue. And it's going to bring me to the next. All right, so on your Angry Birds, again, just make sure you read the directions. You're going to drag extra move forward block out of the toolbox to finish your code. So if you notice here on this one, it says the number 3. It's telling you, it's giving you like a little clue of how many you're going to need to get your Angry Bird to your Silly Pig. All right, so remember, you always got to click them together, because if you don't, watch what will happen. I'll click run. So it's move forward once. See how my unused code's down here? It'll give you a little indication, oh, you're feeling stuck or something's quite not right, and just have to close that down and then you can click your blocks together. All right, so move forward is going to be one of the blocks that you'll click to when run in this program. I would suggest as you get into larger mazes that you click a few of the blocks over, reset, hit run, and see where your Angry Bird has landed. That way you don't have all these lines of code and then you're trying to figure out what mistakes you've made and then you're deleting them all and starting over. If you do this a slow progression, you'll have much better success. All right, so I'm going to move up here to 5 skill building because I want to show you 2 new blocks that you'll be working with. So 2 other blocks besides the move forward will be turn left and turn right. So if you notice, the maze has got some turns in it that you're going to have to move your Angry Bird through. If you did put turn left in there and you noticed, oh, I need to turn right, because sometimes I get a little confused which way they're facing and is it right or left. It has this little drop down and you can just change that. So to turn right or turn left. All right, so I'm going to put that back over here. Again, notice it tells you how many blocks that you will possibly be using for code after when run. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to move forward 1, and then I think he needs to turn right. So remember, I said to do it and test it, right? So let's see. So he is facing the right way. So now I need to move forward 1. I'm going to put move forward 1, and then I think he needs to turn the opposite left. So let's see if I've got it. So see how it's highlighting as you go? Turn right, move forward, and then he turned left. So it is showing you by highlighting what step your Angry Bird's on. Oh, and then I'm going to have one more move forward left. I'm going to click that on. Remember, make sure they're all connected together. I'm going to hit reset and run. All right, excellent. Again, just remember to read the directions at the top. It's going to tell you what to expect. Make sure to avoid the TNT, that's our little explosions, and just decide which path he's going to take to get to the pig. All right, one other block that you're going to see when you come to here is going to be the repeat button. All right, so I'm just going to drag this off over here for now. So when I hit run, I need to get all the way through this more challenging maze. Now, you don't have to do the challenges, but I suggest that you should just try. So in this one, it's time to get angry. This code has a lot of bugs. All right, you need to remove some of the blocks and add others. So I'm going to delete all the ones that aren't supposed to be here. Whoops. Only the blue blocks can be deleted, nothing gray. So this started off like this. So all of this, gray cannot. So when I first opened this up, it had just this here. And if I hit run, let's see what happens. So see my bug there. So I need to decide when I hit reset what I need to fix. So first of all, I know I need to move forward 1, 2. Well, I'm going to drag this down. Now move forward is there. So if you want to separate these, you click on the one that's underneath and just see how I've pulled it away. So I know I've got to move forward 1, 2. Well, remember how we talked about you have to use the least amount of lines of code as possible. You want to have your code as short as possible. I'm going to use my repeat because I know that moving forward is repeating 1, 2 times. So I'm going to drag this in and, oops, sorry. And notice it has the little indentation for the bump out. Now look at this one. Doesn't that look like move forward could fit right in there because of the little indentation? So again, the gray ones have to stay. They won't let you delete the gray ones. See how it won't delete? So I know I need to move forward on this one. So I'm going to fix this bug. How many times? 1, 2. Well, look, it says repeat blank times. Well, 2. Repeat 2 times. And what is it going to do? It's going to move forward. So let's find out if that worked. Let's see if I fixed that bug. And a bug just means it's just a mistake, something that is going to prevent your code from running the correct way. All right, great. So now I know I need to turn him left. All right, so this one said turn right. So I'm going to add that up there, and I'm going to change it to, remember I told you you could change it, left. So let's reset and run and see how it goes. So move forward, 1, 2, it's highlighted, turn left. Oh, I turned the wrong way. So see how you can easily fix that? Let's reset, run it. And again, it's highlighting what it's doing. Perfect. Now I need to move forward 1. So I'm going to use my move forward 1. And then I know he's going to turn left. Let's reset. And let's see if I've got him turning the correct way. Oh, great. Now I need to move forward 1 more. So I'm going to put my move forward because this is one of the coding blocks that I can't get rid of. And then from there, I know he's going to turn right. Let's see what happens. I'm going to leave the move forward on there and see what happens. So he's moving forward twice. He turned right. He's moving forward, turning left, moving forward, turning right, and then he moved forward. Well, I still have a couple more move forwards, but remember, I don't want to keep dragging all my move forwards down. I'm going to take this move forward and pull it off, and I know that it needs to repeat a certain amount of times. So he's here, so he's got to move forward 1, 2, 3. So repeat 3 times. What is he going to do? Move forward. So reset and run. All right, so far so good. He's moved forward, he's turned right, and then 3 times, 2, 3. Then I know the way he's facing me, he's going to turn right because it's opposite of what I think it is because he's looking at me. And then he's going to move forward one more time. Let's see if I fix the bugs. Now remember, it'll always give you some little hints and directions up here. All right. I don't think I'm stuck, but if I needed to, it says click the light bulb for a hint. All right. So we can always click our light bulb, which is right here. Okay. See the light bulb above Angry Head? The Angry Bird, I mean. The Angry Bird's head. All right, let's reset. Let's see if I fix the bugs in my code. Yay! I was successful. Great. One other thing in this part of your course that you're going to come to. Hold on. Is on what prediction part, and that's usually the one of the second to last ones right before you're practicing everything that you learned. And it's going to ask you a question, okay? And again, remember, you got your speaker button over here if you get stuck, and it's giving you 4 choices. So it says read through the code below. So it's made the code for you very carefully. What will happen if you click run? So it says the bird will end up 1 step short of the pig. The bird will make it to the pig. The bird will run into TNT. The bird will run into the wall. Okay, so when run, what's going to happen? So let's see, he needs to turn left. So if he turns left, so he's facing that way. If he turns left, he's going to go this way. Then turn left again. Move forward, turn left, move forward, move forward, move forward. Okay, again, right and left is a little confusing for me still too. So I think he's going to turn left and go here. And then if he's here, and turn left again, then move forward, and then turn left. I think he's going to run into TNT. Let's see if I got it correct. Let's run and find out. I was wrong. Again, left and right always gets me confused. And is it okay if you're wrong? As I can see, Miss Boulay even got it wrong as well. All right, so this is what's going to happen in the first 11 lessons in your Course C. I will be creating other screen recordings to help you through the whole course. All right, and if you have any questions, you're welcome to come and see me.